Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today we are going to talk about my top 5 products that I love for doing a wash and go. This is not my hair. This is my give me a break style, but my signature style is a wash and go. So I'm going to tell you what my top 5 products are for doing a fabulous wash and go. And we are going to start with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. Now, I love this mousse. This mousse gives a very light hold. The reason why I like it so much is because when I use it, my hair dries so quickly. Like, I exercise a lot, my scalp is really sweaty, and if I want to come home, wash my hair, do a wash and go really quick, sit on the dry for 30 minutes, this is what I use because it dries very quickly. It gives a light hold. Now, the drawback of this for me is that even though it gives me a very light and fluffy hold, that's what I was looking for. It gives a fluffy hold, makes my hair look very voluminous. But the hold doesn't last for a long time. So that's the drawback of this. But again, I really like it because it dries quick. It gives a fabulous hold on day one. The Doux. This is the Doux Mousse Texture Foam. I just started using this. Now this stuff is everything. It actually gives, for mousse, I'm used to a mousse like the Design Essential. I'm kind of used to it rather, just giving like a light hold, but this gives a very firm hold on day one, which is, like I said, it was very new to me. Now, I can tell you the instructions for using this is to not use it with any other product. So when I first got it, I tried it as instructed, even though I know that I need to put moisturizer under my hair, but I wanted to follow the instructions. So this is the only thing that I used day one. And my results were amazing. My hair was full and fluffy and fabulous. But by day 2, my hair was dry as a bone. Now, keep in mind, my hair is gray and super dry. So I need more than the moisturizer that's in this product to moisturize my hair. So I know that. So I'm not saying if you use it, don't use it as instructed. I'm saying it does not work for me. This is actually my second favorite product, but I add this to it. So I found this. This is the Doux a curl enhancing. It's like a glaze, but it's more like a gel. So I mix them together. And when I mix them together, hold up, and add moisturizer under it, I get amazing results when I mix them together. So the mousse mixed with the glaze and put your favorite moisturizer underneath, amazing results that hold. Now, for those of you who want a really light hold, or even you want the hold of a gel, but you don't want the firmness of a gel, the Design Essentials Coconut and Monoi Curl Defining Jelly. This stuff gives your hair sheen, and it does not give a hold at all. It's like your curls are popping, but the hair is very soft and touchable. So how I use it, I don't typically use it if I'm doing my wash and go and my hair is out. I'll typically use it when I enhance my curl and I pull my hair up. That's how I use it. Because with my hair being out, I want something that's going to give it just a little firmness, and this doesn't do this. So for those of you who want like the look of a gel, like really want that sheen and really want the curls to pop, but you don't want the hard hold of a gel, you can try this. It's really good. This is a little bottle. It's actually Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. It's what it is. Now this is travel size. This is amazing. It is awesome. Now, similar to this one, This has a lot of glycerin in it right in the beginning. I think it's the second ingredient. Glycerin is the second ingredient. Glycerin is a humectant. Glycerin helps your hair to retain and to draw moisture. And if there's a lot of glycerin in your product, the product may not give a really, really firm hold. So that's why I like this, the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curling Magic, because it does give you a good hold. It does not give you a hard hold. It gives a good hold. And it really keeps the hair hydrated with all the glycerin in it. So this is one of my top 5 favorites as well. And the last one is Kinky Curly Curling Custard. This is definitely one of my favorite products. This gives a firmer hold. For me, it gives a firmer hold. Now, if you put a lot of moisturizer underneath it, it kind of, the hold may not be as firm. But if you want a quality product with a firmer hold, you can definitely try the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. And it also gives amazing definition. And also, less is more. I remember when I first used this product, oh my God, I put a ton of it in my hair. And my hair was like rock hard. So with your curling gels, remember, less is more. And also the last tip, although I use all of these curl enhancing products, I always base my hair with 2 products. I always spray in a leave-in conditioner. This is the Curl House Hair Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner first. And then I follow up with the Design Essentials Moisturizing Lotion. So this is a moisturizer. So they're both water-based. And they're both moisturizers. So I always prep my hair with the moisturizer under every styling product. And I'll also put a little bit of oil in my hair just to seal in that moisturizer. Okay, y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, these are my top 5, even though I think I gave you like 6 or 7 options, but these are my top 5, 6, and 7 options for doing a wash and go. I've been using them for years. I love them. Even as my hair has gotten gray and has gotten drier, the products still work fabulously. Okay, so if you are someone who is interested in learning how to really grow out your hair through proper lifestyle practices, and you want to learn how to care for your natural hair, I encourage you to sign up for my wait list for my health and hairness program that will be starting soon. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and like my channel so that you do not miss a video. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.